What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be showing you a new 5k Profim account. It's a free 5k Profim account. Okay, so this new 5k Profim account is not like the last Profim that I posted, that you need to accumulate points before you can get an account. Okay, so for this one is free. You don't need to earn any points, accumulate any point. So once you just register an account, you'll be given the 5k account which you use to trade. Okay, so if today is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post any video, and also don't forget to support by liking this video and also sharing this video to someone that you know will like to try this free 5k funded account. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link at the description board of this video. So once you click the link, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you're going to fill in some details and then you will create an account. So first thing you need to do is to choose your country and then your country code, your phone number, fill in your name, your first name, second name, username and password, and then they will send a code to your email. Then you go copy the code and then you paste the code, then click this button right here, then you click the register button. So I'll just complete mine and then I'll continue the video shortly. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm done creating my account. Okay, so the next step is to click the start button. As you can see, free challenge. So click the start button to start to get an account and also start trading the account. Okay, so right away, so as you can see here, this is where you're going to get your account and start trading it. Okay, so as you can see here, see trading days 30 days and 3 days. See 3 funded, see 5k accounts, and then the maximum loss is $400. That's the maximum loss, and profit target is $150. And then condition, see free payment, and then step, this is a one-step account, and then price is free. Okay, so once I just click the start button to get funded. Okay, just click the start button. Then just give it time to load. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the 5k funded to my account. Okay, so you just scroll down a little, all the trade you took and the days and all that, you'll be seeing it here, your drawdown, your profit and loss, and all necessary things, you'll be seeing it here. So once you just pass the account, you're going to see it right here. This is going to indicate that you passed the account. And also for trading this account, you won't be needing MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Okay, this account you need CTrader, and also to get your login details. So once you just get this 5k account, they will send an email with your login details. So just go to your email, copy the login details, and then download the CTrader and then log in. So I'll be showing you that shortly. So with my login details. So once you just receive this email, then go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download the CTrader application. Okay, and just show you that shortly. So that's here, this is the CTrader app. So once you just download it, click the open button to log in your details. Okay, so once you're here, click this login button, and then your email, your password, everything will be sent to your email. So just go to your email, copy the details, and then paste the details here, and then click this login button. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've just logged in my details, my account right here, and this is the 5k showing right here. And also, if you have an issue while logging in your password, just try the forgot password, click the forgot password button. They will send a link to your email where you're going to create another password. So just create another password and then log in. So as you can see, that's the same thing I just did, and this is my 5k showing right here. So as you can see, this is BTC. So to add another pair you want, just click the add symbol right here, and then you're going to search in the like the pair you want to trade. Just click here and search. And also, and we have position right here, order, price alert, history, and then transaction. So all the details you need is right here. And also, if you want to change your language, just click the settings button right here and then choose the language which you understand. Okay, so that's all for this video right now. So this is how to get the free funded 5k account which you can trade with and also withdraw the profit once you pass the account. Okay, so once again, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post another video like this, and also like this video and also share it to a friend that you think will be interested on trading this 5k free profit account. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Peace.